Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And if you saw my last video, you know that I mentioned purchasing 4 extra kits from Make Market Christmas series of 2025. And here are 4 of them. 2 of them are standard kits, 40 by 50 centimeters or 16 by 20 inches, and 2 are the smaller version, 8 by 10 inches. They come with a gift, a stylus, Christmas colored, and with 2 magnetic frames. So now let's start with this one. The name of this very kit is Gnomes. Actually, I'm not sure if the G is pronounced or not. I'm really not a fan of such designs, but when I saw the completed picture, it looked so detailed, so flawless, that I decided to purchase it. Like, if you look at it, this is already a complete kit, right? It is diamond painted kit. So the preview picture is the final result. If I saw it, I would never think, I would never thought of this as a diamond painting. I would think that it is just a photo, right? So perfect detalization, and I decided to purchase it. This kit comes with round drills and 46 colors. This year, Make Market puts a lot of colors in their kits. Maybe that is why they turn out so perfect. Okay, this is the next kit. I'm not gonna even pronounce because I have no idea how it is pronounced. Okay, let's say the Starflower. Also, I really loved the completed result, and it is a universal gift, can be given away as a Christmas gift regardless of the gender, for example, and age, because this is the symbol of Christmas. This, it comes with square drills. You know, I'm not really a fan of acrylic square drills, and I explained to you why in my last video, but I love how it turned out. I wish it was a rounds. Not sure if I'm going to replace any drills here with ABs or crystals, because technically there is really not much to replace, maybe only the middle of the flower, the yellow colors. If I find the same shade, I might do it. As to this design, I'm not sure, maybe just white ABs. That's it. This very kit has 27 colors. So it could be pretty easy to diamond paint. I'm not going to unbox them in this video, but we will unbox them in one of my next videos, because, you know, I purchased 12 kits. I already unboxed 6 of them and uploaded the video. I will unbox the next one, the next part in maybe tomorrow. And these 4 will be unboxed separately. Now, this very kit, when I saw it, I fell in love with it. You know, I'm crazy about houses, and I love diamond painting houses. The name of this design is Snow House, and for such a small kit, it looks extremely detailed. This kit contains, woohoo, 43 colors for such a baby. Can you imagine that? But it looks gorgeous. Unlike, in my opinion, this kit, I think that design is very gorgeous. I think it was a really very nice idea. Now, if they transferred it to 40 by 50 centimeters, it would be amazing. But for such a size, it looks kind of blurry to me and pixelated. Not as detailed as, for example, this very kit. So I'm not sure if I'm going to leave it or if I'm going to return. I'm not really in the rapture over the final result. Too many details for such a small kit. Again, the idea is really nice. I really love it, but too pixelated in my opinion. So not sure if I'm going to keep it. Both come with the magnetic frames and styluses. Cocktails, and this kit contains 38 colors. So not sure if I'm going to return it or not. I love the design, but not the final result, to tell you the truth. So 4 more kits that I got, and they have, again, way more, but they haven't displayed it in the physical store yet, and I'm unable to record you all the designs that they have, but you can go online and see all of them over there. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.